Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mini Cooper. This is a 2009 model, so the R56, R57, and I'm going to be removing this gear knob here. This is an automatic version, and I'm going to remove this here because this part here is not working very well. So when I press it, it doesn't go back. Basically it should go back like that. So what I'm gonna do is take it out, and I'm just gonna get a second-hand one from eBay and replace it. So in order to remove these, we need to pull it out. Basically, you don't really need to bring this leather down. I did, but you don't really have to, as I discovered, because I already managed to remove these, but I wanted to show you how I did it, and it's pretty hard to pull it out. So you have to press, you sort of hold it like this. You're going to press that whether you want to or not but you're gonna hold it like this and you're gonna pull it up. So that's what I'm going to do, but it's a good idea to have your two hands on it. And I'm actually gonna put my knees on here, not here, but just here, and then pull it out in a sort of, I'm gonna sort of yank it like in goes like that. Not gonna pull it in one go, but I'm going to try to yank it. So that's the idea. Okay, so to help yourself a little bit, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move the shift to neutral. You don't really need to start the car. Anyway, got in neutral. So now, well, that is broken, but you may want to change it for a different purpose. Maybe you want a different head or whatever. So either way, you have to press that in order to hold this with your hands. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to yank it sort of up. And it is hard, I'm not gonna lie. I've done it a couple of times now, so it might be slightly easier now that I've taken it out a couple of times, but anyway, let's give this a go. There. And that's how it comes out. So in my case, I'm getting the exact same piece. One that hopefully this bit will be working properly. I think there's meant to be some sort of spring inside of here that springs this out when you press it, but this one is not really working very well. So all I'm going to do is, once I replace it, once I got the new one, it's well, I'm gonna try and put this back now actually. It'll be easier to put this in now. So then you get the new one and you push it in there and just lock it in place. So obviously I'm now confident that I can remove that. So once I get my part, I've ordered it. I've ordered one on eBay already. It was about £40 with free delivery. You just have to be a little bit obviously be a little bit careful when you're looking for one, because some of them are really worn out here or even here. It just depends on obviously how you drive. Some people drive sometimes holding this all the time and it sort of wears out, and other people don't. They just put it in drive and then they use their two hands on the steering. But so apart from that, I hope the video helps. don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.